So this is a 1970 Chevelle project that a customer just dropped off. It's day one of about a year-long build. We'll have roughly 1,200 man hours in this when we're done with it. We gotta get this car sandblasted, and then we'll replace every single piece of sheet metal on it. Decided to make a nice little vlog just to show you guys the process. A lot of people see all the finished pictures, Instagram, Facebook, and at car shows. And I get a lot of questions, what did it look like when it first rolled in the shop? So here you have it. This is exactly what it looks like when it first rolls in the shop. It's really rough. There's no floors, there's no trunk. Everything's completely rotted out. Some fraction of the sheet metal that we put into it. You have your doors, you have your floors, your wheel tubs. The list goes on. Still waiting for a lot of parts that are on back order. But yeah, it's all new sheet metal that we will cut out of the old car and weld in all this nice new sheet metal. And that's how the process starts.